Let's see how we can change the incoming call interface on your iPhone from a full screen to a banner, or vice versa. So if you are using your iPhone and someone calls you, but the interface takes up the whole screen and interrupts you while you are doing something, then follow my steps because I'm going to show you how you can change that from a full screen interface to a banner. This works on any iPhone, and we will first open the settings on our device. After that, we will scroll a little bit down until we can see this phone section, and we will open it. Then select the incoming calls option that's under the notifications. Once you open this section, we can see the banner and the full screen. So mine is set to banner, and when I have an incoming call on my iPhone, I will get a little banner at the top of my screen, and I can select if I want to accept or decline that call. But it won't interrupt me in what I am doing. So if yours was set to full screen, I recommend setting this to the banner option, and you will not be interrupted anymore. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a like on it, and I will see you soon.